This is Pandemic Traveller, and today I'm at Parramatta Lakes in the city of North Parramatta, Sydney. Behind me there's a shop, a little cafe. They also have free parking and some picnic tables, etc. I'll let you have a bit of a look around. So up there we have the cafe, parking, etc. A lot of nice little spots where you can sit overlooking the lake and have a little picnic. Some chairs for resting. You could possibly hire some boats here, it looks like, or the swans. There's also some walking tracks that I'll be showing you in another video. So as we speak, I'm going to walk over to where the swimming hole is, just to show you what that looks like. Also, there's some lovely nature, birds, ducks. Parramatta Lake swimming area. This plaque marks the official opening of the Lake Parramatta swimming area by the Right Worshipful the Lord Mayor of Parramatta, Councillor Scott Lloyd, in 2015. So previous to 2015, you could not swim here. I think it was under the process of cleaning. There's a few rules up here. No diving, no swimming except in the designated area, but I've swum outside of the designated area and no one complains, even when there are lifeguards. No feeding birds, no rope swinging, no jumping into the water, no merchant or powered craft. So yeah, no powered little boats and stuff. If you have an engine on your boat, it's not for here. So that's the swimming hole, the cordoned off area where they have the lifeguards usually patrolling. They also patrol outside that area, so if you did get a little bit stuck, you'd be okay. On the other side over there, they have some rocks. I'm sure I've jumped off one of those rocks before. There's a fair bit of free parking, lots of tables for all your picnicking needs. There's barbecues a little bit further ahead. Ooh, some people fishing down there. Not really sure if you're supposed to be doing that, but anyway, it's to their own. Once again, thanks for watching. This is Pandemic Traveller. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments you'd like to leave of places you'd like to go or other things you'd like me to show you, or any questions you might have about anywhere that I go, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.